Hello everyone! Today, I will teach you on how to link your YouTube account to Discord. First, launch the Discord application on your device. Ensure that you are signed into your Discord account. Click on the gear icon located next to your username at the bottom left corner of Discord. In the User Settings menu, select Connections from the option on the left-hand side. Look for the YouTube icon among the list of available connections. Click on the YouTube icon to proceed. Use another account and sign in. And once signed in, select your YouTube channel. Read through the permissions requested by Discord and click on Allow to authorize the connection between your YouTube channel and Discord. After granting access, your YouTube channel will be linked to your Discord account. Close the web browser and return to Discord. Scroll down in User Settings menu to find your connected YouTube account. Toggle the profile visibility on or off as desired. By following the steps, you can easily link your YouTube account to Discord. This allows you to showcase your YouTube channel on your Discord profile. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to ask for assistance. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, see ya!